Today I want to talk to you about famelab. Famelab is a scientific competition, a worldwide international competition organized by the British Council. And this competition aims to show the world the most revolutionary and creative ideas in science in all fields: chemistry, physics, biology, math, medicine, any scientific field. So the competition will start in a worldwide range where participants from each country will compete with each other, so each in his own country, in 2 rounds. So you have your first round where you can participate with a video presentation of 3 minutes, or you can go and present live in front of the judges. And then if you're qualified to the next round, so we have the second round, you will have to present live from now on. If you are qualified after this round, so from each country we will have 1 winner. All these winners will go to London to compete for the title. And this is how famelab goes. So the thing is, you choose a very creative idea in science and you try to summarize what you think about in 3 minutes. Whether you do a presentation or you do a video, you show why did you choose this subject and why is it important for science and for the sake of people. And you try to persuade the judges by your idea in order to proceed furthermore. So this is famelab. I did participate in famelab in Romania, in Bucharest, and my idea was if it is possible to implant an neural prosthesis for dementia patients, because recently there have been experiments that are conducted on rats. So we know that the main part that stores the memory in the human brain is a part which is called the hippocampus. So if this is the human brain, like this, the hippocampus is found around this area, inside the brain, here. This part is responsible for storing spatial navigation information and short-term memories. And in dementia diseases like Alzheimer's and so on, this part is affected, and then the person starts to suffer from problems to recap the recent information or to recognize the place that he's staying in and so on. And then the problem starts to increase more and more. So the idea was, there are experiments that are recently conducted on rats, and there are neural prostheses that are transplanted in the lesioned hippocampi of such rats. So they give the rat, they lesion the hippocampus so it's not functioning anymore, and then they implant a neural prosthesis that mimic the function of the hippocampus by transferring electric charges and doing the same function of the hippocampus concerning the spatial navigation. And they found out that these rats actually acted as good as the normal rats. So the results were very significant. And I'll put the links in the description for this research. So that was the idea that I talked about. So if it's possible one day that such prostheses could be implanted in our brains to help the patients who suffer from dementia, Also, I actually presented in Romanian because I was in Romania, and most of the participants were native Romanian speakers. So I had to present in Romanian, which was quite an experience to present very scientific stuff in Romanian. And I guess this is it. So I'll leave you with a part of the presentation that I did.
Din creierul jugularelor de modelul boala Alzheimer's. În acest model, hipocampul a fost lezat. După aceea, proteza a fost implantat în locul de hipocampul lezat și există două chipuri, una pentru COA 1 și alta pentru COA 3. COA se înseamnă cortical area, zona creierului. Și, de fapt, această proteză a avut rezultate foarte bine, rezultatele au fost semnificative, redarea capacității orientare spațială și a fost la fel de normală ca ceilalți în grupul control cu hipocampul normal.
As for the education, I created the YouTube channel EDU for free. When I was at high school, I was 16 years old, so that I can be able to help my friends in Egypt and other countries worldwide with the high school curriculum subjects that I do understand very well, like physics, chemistry, biology, math, English, French, German, and so on. And what really makes me happy is the increasing number of viewers, as the video views now are about 780,000 views and the subscribers are about 2,180, which is really great. And also the interaction of the audience with the constructive comments that actually helped me to develop the channel to the better more and more.